There is a reason you see this specific optic on almost every serious duty pistol out there. It is not because it is the newest or the flashiest, but because it has earned a reputation for being essentially indestructible. When you pick this thing up, you immediately notice the weight. It is not heavy, but it feels dense, like a solid block of forged aluminum that could take a beating and keep on ticking. That unique, arched housing shape is not just for looks either. It is designed to deflect impacts away from the glass, which is a clever bit of engineering that has saved many of these from a cracked lens during a rough drop. Now the one MOA dot is interesting. If you are someone who likes a massive, easy-to-find blob, this might feel a bit small at first. But for precision work, especially if you are shooting at distance, that tiny dot is a dream because it does not obscure your target. You get 8 brightness settings to play with, including 2 for night vision, and one that is basically a sun-bright mode for those blindingly clear days. The buttons are tactile and easy to find, even if you are wearing gloves, which is a nice touch. One feature that really shows they thought about the user is the battery conservation mode. If you leave it on for over 16 hours, it starts adjusting itself to the ambient light, which is a lifesaver if you accidentally leave it powered up in the safe. And for those who worry about bumping the settings while holstering, the lockout mode is a simple, effective way to keep everything exactly where you set it. Honestly, though, it is not perfect. The battery compartment is located underneath the unit, which means you have to take the whole thing off the mount just to swap the battery. It is a bit of a chore, and it means you have to re-zero your optic every time you do a battery change. That is the one quirk that keeps it from being truly flawless. But look, when you consider the ruggedized electronics and the way this thing handles recoil and abuse, that minor inconvenience starts to feel like a fair trade-off. It is a professional-grade tool that does exactly what it says on the box without any fluff. If you need something that will survive a drop on concrete or a long day in the field without losing its zero, this is still the one to beat. It is not cheap, but you are paying for the peace of mind that it will actually work when you need it most.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.